Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would.
Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. She is a boss, but she is not bossy. She is the only boss. She always get it done like a boss. Now let's get it done like a boss. Hey you guys, it's your girl Linda. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to share with you our luxury home. Follow me. I am going to show you inside.
But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me.
A big thank you to Vivo Home for sponsoring today's video. Guys, this company reached out to me, sent me this machine. They not only have this machine on their website, they have several items for you to choose, like small appliances for your kitchen. I will tell you more about them in a minute. Now, let's get started. Let's talk about design.
Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see.
Okay, family, now let's talk about design. As you guys know, a couple weeks ago, I was in the process to give my dining room a new look with a new DIY accent wall. This is how we started, and this is the final look. Like I said, everything in this house is designed by myself, and my husband is a contractor.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, I don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. The one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness. When words are
Okay, family, this video is sponsored by Vivo Home. They reached out to me and sent me this machine. They not only have this machine on their website, I'm gonna tell you more about their website in a minute. Now, let's talk about the packaging. This item is very well packaged. As you can see, no damage. To get yours today, don't forget to check the description box for the link and for the discount code. A big thanks to Vivo Home for sponsoring today's video. Okay guys, now let's talk about this machine. I really like it. The box includes, of course, the machine and the menu. When you open the box, on top of it, you will see a couple attachments.
This is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way better.
Voila guys, this is the 5-in-1 12 by 15 inch multifunctional digital heat press machine. This is a must-have. This machine has a lot of great features. Turning the knobs, rotate the heat transfer board to the side, pull out the mat below, place your clothes flat on the mat and place the pattern on the clothes. Turn this adjustment switch to adjust the pressure. Boom, you have your own design like a boss.
Let our fears hold us. Let's go back.
This machine comes with 4 attachments and they provide you screws if you want to change the attachment just to make things easy for you. As you can see, this is one of the attachments. This one is for you to design your own cup. You can do everything with this machine. If you're a business owner, this is a perfect machine for you. If you love doing like art stuff, this is a perfect machine for you. My kids will enjoy this machine. I know that.
The hard way to better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way to better.
Okay guys, this is what I am going to use to create my own design on my t-shirt like a boss. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this video. A big thank you to Vivo Home for sponsoring today's video. Guys, don't forget to check the description box for the link and for the discount code by using StyledBy15 to save 15% off on your order. Now, let's get it done like a boss.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood.
Welcome back, family. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Linda. Welcome to our modern luxury home. Your home is your happy place. It should be welcoming and relaxing. Okay, family, as you guys remember, I was in the process to update the formal dining room. This is the result. I really love my DIY accent wall. Everything turned out so beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and smash the bell icon for every time I upload a new video. Guys, don't forget to check the description box for the links, and everything turned out so beautiful. I really love it. Like I always said, she is a boss. She always get it done like a boss. Now let's get it done like a boss. I love me some plants. As you guys can see, I have plants everywhere in my house. This one is from Home Goods for $150. The vase was a little bit cream color. I spray painted black and gold. It turned out so beautiful. I really love it. Guys, look at my DIY accent wall. I love it. Turned out so beautiful. I love the gold details. I was looking for a modern look in this dining room. I decided to go with 2 bookshelves from CB2 and a matte black finish. They are very nice, very pretty, and they match perfect with the dining chair. Everything turned out so beautiful and very modern. I really love the look. Our dining room turned out so nice. The black vase is from Home Goods for $24.99. The 2 black ones in the middle are from the At Home store, and the white ones are from Home Goods. I chose a matte black finish because I was looking for a modern look. Gold vase is from Home Goods for $16.99. For the ginger jar, the link will be in my description box down below. I decided to change the dining chair. I was looking for a clean modern look. This dining chair gives me the look I was looking for. They are perfect, beautiful, and a white color, and the legs match perfectly with the bookshelf. They are very nice.
But I need you there with me to go on.
When it comes to designing a room, lighting is very important. I really love the chandelier. The link will be in my description box down below. It's absolutely beautiful. You guys are asking me how I clean it. I use alcohol to clean everything in my house.
It feels like you're the one who's saves me, the one who saves me.
You guys keep asking me, Miss Linda, why you don't use any bucket? I don't use any bucket because of the space. I chose this little cabinet, put it in the corner with everything inside.
It feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy.
Guys, this is the entryway. I love greenery. I use greenery in this entryway. I think it's perfect. It's very nice. This ginger jar is the most expensive one. The link will be in my description box down below. This is very expensive and I love it.
Hurt so bad, I wanna stay wide open. 'Cause if I should
I decided to use this beautiful painting from Home Goods in the entryway. It turned out so beautiful. I really love it. Like I said, guys, I don't buy stuff because I like them. Before buying anything, I always think about the layout of my house, how I am going to use it, where I am going to put it, how I am going to incorporate it in my decor. I love coffee table book. It's perfect for your entryway, your coffee table, perfect. And a candle is everything for your entryway. Your entryway is supposed to be welcoming because this is the first thing people are going to see when they first enter to your home. Guys, this is my entryway. I love it. Turned out so beautiful. This beautiful ginger jar is from Home Goods.
it went wrong, always believe the night.
Welcome to our open floor plan. Dining room, entryway, and the living room. I have a lot of questions about these accent chairs. They are from Amazon. I will put the links in my description box down below for you guys. They are very modern.
I wanna stay wide open.
I have a lot of questions about our coffee table. Our coffee table is custom made. Guys, we spent mad money on this coffee table. And you guys keep asking me why I love using coffee table book. I love using coffee table book a lot. It gives your living room a whole clean new look, modern, clean, beautiful. Coffee table book and a little greenery and a candle on your coffee table is everything.
Bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad.
4 blanket and the 2 pillow covers are from Amazon. Green and gold, they are very nice. I will put the link in my description box down below.
Though it hurts so
The black vase is from Home Goods and the greenery, they are from Pier 1 a couple years ago.
'Cause if I shut down, it just
And the side table is from Home Goods. This wall art is from Home Goods for $59.99. As you guys can see, the leaf match perfect with the plant and the formal dining room.
I wanna stay wide open.
I have a lot of questions about this tripod lamp. The lamp is from Wayfair. I have a lot of questions about this glass side table. It's from Home Goods.
Boy, don't get me wrong. Sure, we're having fun.
You guys are always asking me what inspires me to come up with a new design all the time. First of all, guys, my accent wall, and second is the wall art. A wall art is everything. As you guys can see, my wall art, they are very simple. Why I always choose a simple wall art? Because they speak for themselves and they complement your decor perfectly. That's why I always choose a simple wall art. The wall art is from Home Goods.
Don't you? Boy,
To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate your love and support. Comment and liking are truly appreciative. May the Lord continue to bless each and every single one of you. Thank you guys so much. Yes, she is the boss.
Got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own. You look good in the sunshine, you look good in the rain, and I know once that you're mine, we'll have nothing to change. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time in the next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt. Male, peace out.